Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change country region in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So to change your region country in Shopify store, you simply need to go to your admin settings. To do so, you will need just to go in the side panel or side menu. Here we will find the gear icon for the settings. We click on it, and there we will need just to search for locations. So here in this menu, we will find our locations here. By clicking on locations, we will find all the locations for your store. Either you have any other active or inactive location. You can simply add a location, and from there you can fulfill online orders from this location or not. You can check this off or check it in. So basically, you can also change your current location. So from the address, you can add the country or region. You can choose any region that you would like, and then you can add your address, your phone number, anything else. You click on save, and by that, you have been able to successfully change your region. Otherwise, as you can see, when you add a region or a country, you will need to make sure or just to be careful for the tax collection policies or settings. So you will need to add them from the tax and duties, and then you can find them here. So as you can see here, you will need just to choose any region that you are where you are selling, and then you can add your taxes collection, etc. Otherwise, if you want to add new locations for your store, you can simply click on add location, give it a name, you add an address, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.